Oh no, I forget. Almost all of these are just a follow. See, dude, go faster. I had just... You don't even need to drift that. There we go, finally. This race. Which will be pretty easy. Hey! Get off my ass. Gotta bully my way through first. There we go. And now should be smooth riding the rest of the race. Because even on hard difficulty, I just always am in first for some reason. No, you won't. You are not going to catch up. You guys are like right behind me and you guys are not. I need to purposely mess up just so that you guys actually catch up. See? Watch. I'm going to purposely mess up. There we go. And you guys still didn't catch up. Whee! I like how they added a little tiny jump at the end for no reason. And last lap. I'm gonna lap myself back into 8th. Oh, I almost jumped over him. Okay, so at least I lapped myself back into 8th. So technically I have 1st and 8th position. My goal in this entire thing, which you guys won't see at all, I'm going to do the storyline, get the Ultimate Plus parts, do a couple online races maybe. That'll be pretty much the extent of this story. I'm not really going to show you guys how I got all the billboards, all the collectibles, all the decals. That's just way too long. These things are fun. We're just driving over them. There's so many of them. Whee!
Better be ready for this. Hello to you too.
No. Follow you. Okay. Another one of these follows. Okay. Now let's get ready for a night race. Oh yeah, most definitely.
Yeah, we'll give you guys a driving lesson. I'll wait for you at the finish line.
So like normal, all races, I'll bully myself to first place, and then I'll be smooth riding from there.
It's first place or nothing. You can do this.
Yeah, I can. You can't. I will. I don't need you. I really don't. This whole entire campaign I'm pretty much doing alone. I don't need you at all. Honestly, if we took you out of the picture, the campaign would be a lot better. You're the one always getting us into trouble. And I'm here just to race. Why was there a barrier? trying to freaking move at the last second from the barrier. Oh god. I am the city's dirty side. Oh god. Ooh. Ooh. That was a close one if I messed up anymore. Ooh. I love this. Right out. Ta-da! And yes, I did change my character.
Trash can? It's all trash now, right? Hey, isn't that...
Oh, shit. No. Hey, what?
You! Back up from the vehicle. ID, let's go. Vera, huh? It's your vehicle?
Yes. Is there a problem, officer?
Depends. See, we got a bunch of reports about a vehicle matching this description, involved in illegal activity. Ice front! Which means I got the power to impound it. Where you been tonight?
We were just here.
What you here? You! ID! Dipshit. Nice name. Got a car?
Yes, sir.
Yes, officer!
I want to punch you in the face.
Where is it?
Over there.
Nice. Maybe I impounded the wrong one.
Sure you on the road yet?
On my way. Keys.
Why the keys?
Keys!
And it's because you're stealing her damn car.
You want it back? You got 10 days. We crush it. I think it's 10. Might be less. Drive safe.
Give her car back. We don't play like that around here.
Just take me home.
Okay, so now what? Oh, okay, so we're just driving her home.
Okay.
You gotta understand. When I'm in my car, I got power. It's right there at my feet. Someone wants to try me? Sure, bring it on. Let's go. As soon as they say step out the vehicle, man, they got the power.
Well, it's not too far.
I'll catch you later. Thanks for the ride.
Kind of drove through your lawn, but that's okay. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, news report. I love these news reports.
Just when it appeared the street racing problem might be under control, late last night, a swarm of racers took to the streets and caused thousands of dollars in property damage, leaving many to fear what will happen next.
What this shows is that my task force is needed. Now, more than ever. This act was unforgivable.
It's not unforgivable. What you've been doing in the police force is unforgivable.
My power to make sure that it does not happen again.
You know, that sounds just like the kind of thing someone would do. They're trying to get noticed.
Nah, it was nothing. You don't miss it?
You hear me that?
And I said you were good. Enough to get in the league. Why'd you quit?
I know she doesn't see it yet.
Yeah, you could lose somebody's life in this shit.
Last night, I am amazed she hasn't come to brag.
Tired, I guess.
Eh. If you're free, I may have something for you. Old friend of
Ooh,
mine's been bugging me. Wants to see what you got firsthand. You're connected.
what is it?
Maybe it might be worth your while.
Sure, I'll check it out. Thanks.
No worries.
Yes, but first the mission was to get the Civic so we get an off-road vehicle. So that is the first thing we're going to do. And now let's get this race so we can get that Civic. Because I know the off-road section is coming up really, really soon. So I want to have it just to be sure. Bully my way to first. And then zoom out of here. See, I love the daytime aspect of these no car races. That way I don't have to worry and just smooth driving. Then we get to nighttime where they add cars and they add cops. It makes it 10 times more difficult to race. Like this was the first Need for Speed. You could actually do an engine swap. I was like, what? And it's not always the most expensive engine that actually is the best engine to choose for what you're doing. It's crazy. They did some in-depth arcade racing for this. I wouldn't say realistic racing because that is not realistic racing. I'm gonna lap my way back into 8th. So now I'm 1st and 8th again. Ooh. I'm about to put myself back into 6th. There we go. Locked my way back into 6th place. So far, 1st and 6th. And this is 4th and 3rd. No, 5th and 4th. Yeah. There's 3rd up there. Be nice to lap my way back into the top 3. I might get away with it with this turn. Yeah. There we go. Lap my way back into 3rd. So I'm 1st and 3rd. Ha ha ha. Okay. So yes, it was either going to be Plymouth Barracuda. I thought about maybe even the Charger. But for some reason, it just made 6 sense to go with the Honda. Yeah, not really any other good ones. Yep. So we are going to go with this Honda Civic. Let's test it out driving it to the garage. Oh, God. I almost started driving without even the engine kicking in. That's cool. This might make it actually a really good one. May not spin out as much in the dirt. That's the problem I've always had, is just spinning out in the dirt when I do off-roading. And with the acceleration of this one, it might actually.
Hey, look at your new baby.
Yeah, not much performance parts I can do right now. I could probably start getting it to off-road. Okay. So it is now pretty much set up for off-road. I now just need, literally, just some more cash to put into it. So, and I think that'll be it. We did our missions for this video. And next time I'll probably have this customized and fully upgraded. And then we'll do a couple of those missions. Yeah. We're coming along pretty quick in this. We're already level 8. I'll probably try and get to like level 15 off camera. Just so I have a bunch of missions. Next video is going to be a long one. I guarantee it. We're going to get a lot done next video. But that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Peace, love. It's your boy Drobot out.